Today, we are going to talk about reasons to consider rolling over your 401k. One thing I hear all the time from people is that they have old retirement accounts just sitting there. That might be something that you've experienced. You've worked at a couple of different jobs in your lifetime, and the employer might have provided you a 401k benefit or a retirement plan benefit. You might have left that company, but that retirement plan is still there. Here are some reasons why I believe it would be wise for you to roll over that old retirement plan. Reason number one, there could be lower fees. When you are in an employer-sponsored retirement plan, you many times are paying the fees that go along with the employer having that plan. When you roll over your account from an employer-sponsored plan to an individual plan, it's most likely that your fees will be lower. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer, this could be super beneficial for you. The second reason you should consider rolling over that old retirement plan is the investment options. Your retirement plan has a set or limited amount of investment options in it that are chosen by the employer. A study from Financial Engines actually showed this. Even when employees start with their entire retirement portfolio invested in a target date fund, only 57% of them remained fully invested in that fund after 5 years. On the other side of this, over 87% of people stayed invested when they were in an actively managed account. You might think that you are invested properly in your 401k. However, rolling that into a personal retirement account will give you much better investment options and hopefully keep you invested for the long haul. The third reason that you should consider rolling over your 401k is to work with an advisor. You might be asking, why would I work with an advisor when I just rolled my account over to lower the fees? Have you ever heard the old adage, you need to spend money to make money? Well, that is exactly what studies have shown in investment management. Vanguard, who has historically been the kings of do-it-yourself investing, have come out with a study that shows that by working with an advisor, you can add 3% per year of return to your portfolio on average, net of fees, just by working with an advisor. That's a massive deal. The reason for that is this: there is so much more than just investment selection when it comes to investing. You need to have someone there making sure that you have a diversified portfolio, that you're staying invested when markets are tough, and that you're on track to hit your goals. The last reason for this would just be to simplify your life. Having multiple plans out there creates more time and more effort for you. By consolidating, you have everything in one spot, and it makes it super easy for you to manage going forward. You should be organizing your life. Take pride, take ownership, and take responsibility for what you have and make the most out of it. If you're one of those people that has those multiple plans out there just sitting there, or if you'd like to get your previous company's 401k plan rolled over, we would love to help. Feel free to schedule some time with us using the links below, and we can set up some time to get together.